Hello guys. Welcome to Data Science Lovers. This video is for the general knowledge about the career in the field of robotics. Robots are integrated essentially into our lives, in hospitals, schools, banks, or the agriculture sector. Robotics technology, too, is shaping many relevant and crucial parts of industries today. Robotic has become one of the major career options for engineers with rapid advancements in technology. It is a career choice that is mainly related to the design and development of robots that can do semi-autonomous, or even fully independent, activities. The programmed machines can solve issues in the industrial and operation sectors. The professional involved are responsible for designing, constructing, and programming robots with the help of AI.
At present, robotic is among the fastest growing industries in the world. Investment in this space is surging ahead, as companies and whole industries ramp up spending to keep their technology up to date. As a result, people with advanced and practical robotics experience are in extremely high demand in the job markets. There are various low-code automation platforms available in the market which is less traditional and are very agile in nature.
There are many specialties in the field of robotics, including physical robots designing, virtual robots. There is a wide range of opportunities to work on, and moving between industries is a big draw for those interested in pursuing a career in robotics. It is an industry growing in complexities and opportunities, so long-term growth prospects for robotics engineers are very strong. A report by the Manufacturing Institute and Deloitte finds that 4.6 million manufacturing jobs will need to be filled in the US alone over the next decade.
Of those, the reports predict, up to 2.4 million may not be filled due to lack of training. That may sound grim, but some experts find it to be otherwise.
The biggest challenge is not the training, really. It is informing those who are interested but think that a career in robotics would be outside their educational background, or beyond their reach. They say the reality is quite the opposite. The need for the skilled workers in the next big industrial revolution, or Industry 4.0, is immense, which means there is a sense of urgency in offering accessible training to potential workers also.